Listen. You know everybody's always talking about change. And don't get me wrong, change can be beautiful. But some things are meant to stay the same, you know?
If this were our last night here on this planet, how would you feel? What would you say? Pretend that you never, ever will see me after tonight, after today. And now tell me you'd rather fight and hold a grudge against me instead of making love tonight. Oh, is that what you're saying, baby? I'll never be flawless, never be perfect, no matter how bad you want me to be. I'll be your hero as soon as you let go and stop comparing me to your fantasy. Let's just live life, let's just have fun. Maybe in time we can be as one, but if we never do, then that's okay. Darling, all I'm trying to say is I ain't gonna change. Oh no, 'cause being someone else is too damn hard. And I don't want you to change. Oh no, 'cause I dig you just the way you are. And oh, I never wanted anything more. And I didn't understand before, but now I do. All that I ask is just be you. Now what if tomorrow came and I changed and just started doing things that you claim would be better? What if I did whatever to put your mind at ease, that we'd always be together? Would that make you satisfied to have me home every night knowing that I really missed the line? Could you live with yourself if that happened, babe? Tell me, where is the girl, the one who used to stand in as the light of my world? Where is she at? 'Cause I want her back. Can we go back? 'Cause who I'm looking at forgot how to love. I want the one that gave me love, and the one that I could go to, who didn't used to trip on all the little things. Baby, I'm just saying that change ain't always healthy, girl. So oh no, 'cause being someone else is too damn hard. And I don't want you to change. Oh no, 'cause I dig you just the way you are. And oh, I never wanted anything more. And I didn't understand before, but now I do. All that I ask is just listen. Well, I'm not trying to fight, I'm just trying to grow, but in my own time. And if you didn't know, I care that I don't want nobody but you. You gotta let me love you in the way I know. I'll never let you go. If you feel the same, baby, then I'll stay. But don't make me change. It's being someone else. Being someone else is so hard. And I don't want you to change. Oh no, 'cause I dig you just the way you are. And oh, I never wanted anything more. And I didn't understand before, but now I do. All that I ask is just be you. Baby, hear me out. Girl, you make my day. You light up my life. I'll give anything just to make it right. I'm so tired of fighting every night. Never wanted anything more. I didn't understand it before. Now I do. All that I ask is